For our second pro tip today, we are talking about the schools of fish and how you're going to be ready for them coming through. How often should you be checking your lines? What should you be doing while you're on the beach to make sure that you're not missing out on the opportunities to catch fish? It's easy when you're out on the beach all day long, when you've been out there for a while, and maybe the bite dies down. So the tendency is to honestly sit down and relax, just kick back because, the bite's kind of slowed down. Honestly, about every 20 minutes or so, you should be checking your lines. I usually have 4 lines out, so that gets a little hard to check all of them every 20 minutes. If you notice that the bite has shut down and you're watching the tides and you're looking and going, okay, maybe, it seems like maybe, we got maybe an hour or half an hour before things should start picking up again. You want to start bringing in your lines and rebaiting, casting them out, testing different distances and stuff. These schools of fish, pompano especially, they swim in schools. So what happens is they're coming through in a big school. They're not loners. You'll start seeing other people down the beach. If there's a lot of people fishing, I'm always watching what they're catching, because if they start catching this way and it keeps getting closer to you and people are catching fish, there's a big school, something coming through. Pompano especially, what they'll do is they'll swim in a big group. They'll come through the area, and if there's not structure that is going to cause them to turn around, they might be gone. They may never come back through while you're there on the beach that day. I like to sometimes set up near structure, like an inlet, like a pier, a jetty, a rock wall. Sometimes they won't go out and around. Sometimes they'll turn around and come back. So that gives you more than one opportunity to get on the school of fish. About every 20 minutes, you're going to want to be checking your lines. You want to rebait, keep it fresh, because you want to be ready when that school comes through. You don't want to have lines out there that don't have any bait left on them, and everybody else is catching fish, but you're not, because you're not ready for it.